Schafis. Hey, babies. So why did we start with sheep so early in our project? Well, on the first hand, we need fertilization for all our projects with gardening and with agricultural fields. Secondly, sheep are sweet. Thirdly, they are very simple beings, very easy going and easy to manage, right? Oh, babies. Oh. Oh, Brun. Ah. Nein, 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 nein. Ihr bleibst da drin jetzt. Nein, 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 nein. Ah. Nein, 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 nein. Au! Fix nochmal. Nein. Nein. So, welcome to this sixth episode of Rebooting Life, which will be all about our lovely flock of sheep, which started out with 10 sheep ladies about a month ago, and then we got 1, then 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, and just yesterday 8, 9 sweet little sheep babies. So that kept us pretty busy. So that's why we do a lot of our work in kind of time slicing. So the work, as you see in the background, with gaining new farming areas by cutting bushes and trees, and with dedicated time for the sheep. So the first activity was, of course, to prepare a cozy home place for our flock of sheep. As a next step, it was all about learning how to put electric fences, because that's the only chance we have at the moment to be flexible enough. And then it was, of course, all about food supply and about having a nice carpet in the stable. So we bought these pieces of hay, about, I don't know how many, 120 I think, from a farmer down in the main village, and we got this pile of hay from our nice neighbor Hugo and Silvia. Which actually brings us over the season until we have our own hay production. So the sheep stable is actually right underneath this platform, this wooden platform. And we are currently carrying the hay all the way around the stable to our sheep. The plan is to have this installation down there in the stable and to be able, to be able to throw the hay supply from up here directly into the stable. So, and one of the next challenges is to construct our milking stand. So it's kind of a table where single sheep can climb up, gets kind of fixed gets stabilized by the head and gets goodies. And then we can actually look, we can do the milking, we can look after some, let's say, checking and caring. And then after passing the service station, the sheep should go down again. Well, and the second reason we have started with our sheep so early is actually to get some as big as possible pile of manure, sheep manure. So while they were pretty shy in the first days, we became big friends very quickly, and all of them are right now already very, very tame and nice to deal with.
Magst du da rein?
So it's Thursday again, and my wife Angela is going to arrive by speed train from Salzburg, always joining me Thursday to Sunday. And funny enough, so far our sheep ladies always kind of respected and waited with their birth until she arrives. So let's see how it works this time. Hi.
Hi.
Ja, dann hat's ja doch geklappt. Haley, brav. Ja. Hey, little baby. All the family is assembled while Haley is welcoming her baby, just born. So the next challenge will be to put the ear markings on our 3 newborn babies. It's a very good timing because after eating, they're all leaning on the white walls, making my beautiful painting brownish. But ladies, okay, if you like it. So, Nilsi. Gib mir den Ohrwaschel.
Alles gut, gell?
Alles gut.
Ja. Kommst du raus? So.
So, dann kommt das nächste. Zweites Ohrli.
Warte, was ist das?
Und
Hoppala, ich hätte ja meinen Kopf besser halten können, gell? Sorry, aber das ist schon wieder gut so. Alles gut. Das ist deine Mami. So nicht, gell?
Salome.
Jetzt hat mein Kopf hier halten da.
So.
Warte. Warte, ich hab's dir gescheit. Okay. Du bist ein ganz schönes großes Schaf, mein Lieber.
Ja.
Alles gut. Wie du schon wieder. So.
So, und dann
Nur Ohrwaschel.
Brunne her auf.
Radio.
Was ist das? Bleib
Wenn du
stehen.
nur richtig gut dastehen möchtest.
Also.
Ja, alles gut. Und du darfst klein. So,
So,
sie da.
gut.
Wieder, gell?
Brunner,
So,
stop
die-
it.
Ja, brav, du bist du, gell? Da hast du.
Little Norbert. Alright.
Achtung, gehst du mal ein wenig auf Zeiten?
Oh, der ist ja geworden.
Bravo.
So, und das zweite Ohrwaschel. Was, bleibst du bitte stehen? So, super, baby. So next is even more challenging. It's to give a medication to the mummies to deworm them, and that needs to be done right after birth when their immune system is weakest. And for that purpose, it's playing judo with the sheep. Hey, Snowy, you are first. Come on, Snowy.
Okay.
Snowy. Come here. So. Bist du der Norbert?
Heli, komm her. Schau her, Heli. Jetzt ist gut.
So,
Gell?
schau.
Du musst es beim Kind machen. So, Kopf um mich.
Komm her.
Kopf um mich.
Ab.
Ein starkes Tier. So, das hast du wieder, ne?
Nein, nicht wirklich, aber.
Gut, Heli, komm her. So. Mund auf, auf. Super, erledigt. Bravo.
Super.
Auch nochmal kurz eine Hilfe.
Ja, wenn du mir es gibst, dann.
Hintern oben drucken. Jetzt, entschuldige. Kopfhummer und. Entschuldige bitte. Alles klar.
Johnny. Brunner, hör auf, oder wer ist es?
Erledigt.
So. Super. Ah.
So.
The really nice experience started when the babies were born, one after each other, and sometimes in real batches. So let's do a kind of Klosterwinkel's next top model session. Baby Bruna. Oh! So, Klosterwinkel's next sheep model. This is baby Bruna. Oh! 3 weeks old. Big Bruna. Hi Bruna. Napoleon was small as a baby but big in spirit. Napoleon is a boy. Hey, Napoleon. 2 weeks old. Don't eat my mic. Baby Clara was the first sheep we put the ear marks on. So unfortunately a little bit wrong, but that makes Clara unique. Hi Clara. Baby Clara. Ah, baby Heidi was next. Baby Heidi is 1 week. Our beautiful Heidi. Huh? Heidi, say hi. This is baby Stella, also 1 week old. This is baby Sorella. Say hi, Sorella. Hi. Hello, world. And back to mommy. This is baby Niels, our second boy. Baby Niels. Hello world. Back to mommy. Yeah. This is baby Salome, just one. Baby Salome, just 1 day old. Mommy Shawnee. And the last one from Mama Haley. Protesting Mama Haley. Oh, Haley. Is baby boy Norbert. Hi, Norbert. Back to Mama Haley. Hey, Haley. Here's your baby. So, 9 babies, 1 missing. And this beautiful baby is baby Nanook, just a couple of hours old, just born. Beautiful little baby boy with brown, white, black coloring. Hello world. And mommy Suna is crying. Suna! So I really hope you liked this special sheep episode. And if you came that far, please give us a like, leave a comment, consider subscribing or even sharing. So with these activities, you enormously help our channel to grow. So that was episode 6, all dedicated to our flock of sheep. And I'll see you in the next episode with exciting news.